Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD but in small letter. Let's start. Yellow color. Yellow color. A. A for apricot. A for arrow. B for bat. B for ball. C for cat. C for candy. D for dog. D for dinosaur. E for egg. E for ear. F for fish. F for frog. G for goat. G for girl. Purple color. H for hand. H for house. I for eyes. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for jackfruit. K for kite. K for king. L for lemon. M for mango. M for mosquito. N for nose. N for nest. Orange color. O for owl. O for orange. P for papaya. P for papaya. P for piano. Q for queen. Q for quiz. R for ring. R for red. S for star. S for strawberry. T for tomato. T for tower. U for unicorn. U for umbrella. Blue color. V for vegetable. V for village. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. W for water. X for xylophone. X for Christmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yak. Y for yellow color. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learn today? We learn about yellow color, purple color, orange color and blue color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share, subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.